Hey all, it's Neil with NeilSarap Barbecue, and today we're going to be showing you how to make beef tallow with your beef fat. So today I have a whole tray of about 4.5 to 5 pounds of brisket trimmings. And what we're going to do is, it's very simple. We're going to chop it up into little pieces, and we're just going to put it in our oven at 230 degrees and render it down for 4 to 5 hours. And then we're going to strain off that oil, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this started, and we'll get you in the oven and we'll be all set. So we're just going to take our fat and dump it out. We're going to get trimmed up into little pieces. Get it put into our pan. Any decent sized pieces of meat you can discard. You don't really want that in there. If it starts to brown, it's going to discolor your oil a little bit. All right, once you're done trimming or cutting them up, you'll have it look a little bit like that. Just kind of even everything out. We're going to get this in our oven at 225 to 230. You don't want it to get too hot because it will discolor your oil, your tallow. And you need to get it hot enough so that you make sure that you boil out all the water, because that will make it really cloudy. If not, it won't set up and harden at room temperature like it normally should. We're going to get this in our oven now and check up on it in a little bit, about 4 hours. All right, we're mostly rendered down there. There's our liquid gold. So we're just going to get this strained off into a couple of mason jars, let it cool down, then we'll put the lids on and get it in the fridge. All right, once you strain off your initial run, then you get some cheesecloth. And you can put in the rest of it. Just give it a nice squeeze and see how much. There's still so much left inside of it, all the fat bits. So just get it wrapped up just like that. Give it a little twist. Extract all the rest of the tallow out. And now you can see we have quite a bit more that we can add. Cheesecloth in there. And just strain off another pour. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can just use a coffee filter as well. So we'll just let this sit and cool. All right, so we're back, and now that our tallow has a chance to cool, it's now turned into a solid. So it's going to keep in this jar sealed up for about a year, just at room temperature out on your counter. You can keep it by the stove, put it in the pantry. It will keep even longer in the refrigerator, and you can freeze it. It will keep indefinitely. All right, so here are some fun facts about tallow. A lot of people have a misconception that this is bad for you. There are many health benefits of tallow. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. It's got antimicrobial antimicrobial and antifungal properties, benefits the skin, anti-aging. Tallow has a high smoke point, making it great for frying. Its smoke point is 420 degrees. It burns clean. They make candles out of tallow. It turns solid like this at about 86 degrees. That's its melting point. You can use it to make pies, biscuits, tortillas, cookies, popcorn. Use it in any kind of baking. It's great for your skin. It has a lot of health benefits. There's monounsaturated fats, which are the same types of fats that you get in olive oil. It has high fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K2. Anti-aging. Vitamins A and D help heal skin. It's probably the best moisturizer for skin. The best tallow you're going to make is going to be from grass-fed beef. That's going to give you those oleic acids, your omega-3, omega-6. I hope you all get a chance to make some tallow next time you have your briskets, trimmings. Don't throw those away. Your steak trimmings, roast, any kind of trimming, fat trimmings, that hard fat, render it down, store it. It's really simple, really easy. So thank you for watching. I hope you found it enjoyable, and I hope you found it informative. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos, and we'll see you soon.